I will play football or cricket. What chocolate should I give my GF on a birthday? Dairy milk or KitKat? How will I answer that question?
We all face these types of decision fatigue every day in our lives. But the right decision making what separates from the things you want to get as an output. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly the 3 tips which will help you to make better decisions sharper and quicker. But while listening to me, I'm Asutosh. I'm a 19-year-old entrepreneur while studying the rich people and their behavior, also working for a brand as a marketer while breaking down the psychology and the decision making process. So stay tuned because the second point I'm gonna say could alone will make your decision making skills crazy. So without wasting any time, I will move to the first tip. Use the 5-minute rule. So let me take an example and what it is. You got a course, like it's $1,000 course. So will you buy it or not? Because it's a big decision and it's the only one thing you have here. Either you will do that or you will not do that. So for that, you will just take your pen and paper, draw a line, then say plus, pros or cons. After writing it, set a timer for 10 minutes. Write every plus thing and the pros you will get from that course and the cons you have. Once you are done, see which side has the more weightage. Okay, pro side has the more weightage, like four points here and 3 points in the cons. So you will choose the pro. But sometimes you will get the weightage same from the on the both side. So in that situation, you can do one thing, and the people who done that thing you want to do, go and reach out to them. Then they will make you a big decision and a good decision for you, and they you can add up some points there, and after that you can make your decision yourself. It's that simple, and it's for the only one specific thing when you are making any decision. But when it comes to the multiple things, when you come up with a multiple dress, multiple chocolate, what you will do in that moment? So that's where come to the second tip. For small decisions, be confident. So when you come up with a lot of options, there you have to be confident. When you being in confident in the group, people will most trust you because that guy is confident, he knows it, so you should buy it. So let me take an example. So when you are going to any shop, you think of, okay, these are the 5 chocolates the shop has, so what I should buy it right now, for the group or for myself. So first thing you can do is eliminate the 4 chocolate that you don't want to eat with a solid reasons. So when you will eliminate the things, when you will get the options, you will come up with the right and the last one which you need. It's also simple. Or I will take another example. If you are going to your principal's office, what is the best time to meet principal? Like any study, a coding or any talk. So 8 a.m. when there is a principal coming. I'm taking an example, okay? And 8 to 9 is the most early hour, and most of the people don't come to school or any guardians and stuff, so you can go at that moment, or the lunchtime, because other times will be other students, other guardians and other contractors and different stuff. So you have to think for a moment, which is very simple. Just you have to eliminate the thing with the solid reason. Okay, if I will go in that time, that will be the barrier, that will be the reason, that's why I shouldn't go. It's that simple as it is, if you think it as a simple manner. But things changes when you someone asks you a question. What you will do in that moment with people will ask you a question at the meeting or in the college group or in the stage. So in that moment, you can do one thing. That is, you have to structureize what he's asking. Is he asking the yes or no question or the WH questions? So if he is asking the yes or no question, don't just say yes or no, yes or no, but elaborate little bit. So they will think, okay, that's a smart guy. He knows what he's talking about. So you will feel confident, and they will feel and more trust you. But when it comes to the WH questions, which need a more elaboration, you have to describe it properly. And when you are describing and someone is asking you a question, don't answer fastly, don't be so aggressive and so fast, but wait for a little bit, at least 3 seconds, take a pause, think about that, the question, then answer accordingly. Because the more calmer you will be, the more calmer your mind, the more good decisions you will make. But I saw people in the stage or in the group, they get fear. Don't know how to answer because they got the fear of having the rejection or getting the hair. So don't fear for that, because if you show yourself as a confident guy and say in the manner, people will think he is right. They will not counter question you. But if they question, also be confident. Again, counter answer. If you are right. If you don't know something, don't say I don't know. Say recently I didn't research about it, but I will research and I will let you guys know the better answer. It's that simple. Be calm, be confident, and make better decisions. You just learn how you can make a decisions like a pro. And if you want to know why discipline will never make you rich, make sure to watch this video. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Again guys, I will say it for right now because you guys are not subscribing me, because I saw 70 to 60% of people are not subscribing me, but they are watching my video. So make sure to subscribe to get the valuable video like this, and see you in the next video. Tada, bye bye, see ya, peace out guys.